In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add Viber chat to Squarespace. Unfortunately, since this functionality is not available through Squarespace itself, what we need to do is make use of a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. So the first thing I want you to do is to go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the elfsight.com platform. Once you click on the link, this is the page that you will land on. From here, head over to your widgets in the navigation menu and hover over this button. Then I want you to go over to chats and then look for Viber chat. In my case, it's near the bottom right here. Click on that and then that's going to take you to the Viber chat widgets page. From here, click on create widget for free and then that's going to take you to the template section of this page. As you can see on the left hand side you have the templates and on the right hand side you have a little preview of what that template is going to look like on your Squarespace website. Don't worry about the actual design or the contents of each of these templates because absolutely everything down to the T is customizable, and I'm going to show you how in just a second. So go ahead, browse through these and select the one that you want. In my case, I want to go for the general one right here. So click continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now we need to connect our Viber account with the widget itself. That way, whenever somebody sends a message through the widget, it's going to know where to redirect the message to. So go ahead and add your number right here or Viber link. I'm going to go ahead and just use this example right here because this is just a tutorial, so it's not relevant for me. Once you've done that, this will automatically update right here. And then on the left hand side here, you also see content, settings, and appearance. Here you can change pretty much anything to do with the actual widget. So for example, if you don't want this person that appears here in the chat widget to be called John Doe, go to content, go to chat window here, and then obviously you have the picture and then the name. I want him to be called Terry Smith, just like that. As you can see, it automatically reflects. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with everything else. But yeah, I'm not going to get into too much detail about these. Just know that they're here for you to use, so take full advantage of them. And once you're happy with everything that you see in terms of the widget here, go ahead and click on Add to Website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen. And in a couple of seconds, your Viber chat widget will be created. As you can see, I've now been redirected to this page right here. But before you actually land on this page, you'll be asked to log in into the Elfsight platform. So you can either create your own account or you can use your Google account to log in, which is what I've done because it's much easier and quicker. Once you're all logged in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a publish button. Click on that button and then you'll be taken to the plans page where we need to select a plan. Now, since this is the first widget we are creating with the Elfsight platform, we can go for the free plan right here because it actually supports one widget for free. However, in the future, if you want to take advantage of more widgets or more functionalities, you will have to go for one of the premium plans right here. But for now, click on select right here where it says current plan for me, and then you'll be taken to the code section where you can copy the code for the widget that you just created. So the page is going to look just like this, and from here, click on copy code, and then head over to your Squarespace website. Once you're on your Squarespace website, go ahead and click on edit in the top left corner of the screen to get into the actual editor, and then you need to decide where you want your Viber widget to be. Now, the position of mine is predetermined in the bottom right corner of the screen, but if you've chosen a different option, so for example, if you want to embed your Viber chat and you want it right here, for example, you have to select a position for it or like add a new section or whatever it might be. Regardless of what you choose, you're going to have to go to the top left corner of the section where you want to add your Viber chat, and then click on add block right here. Then go ahead and click on code right here, and then that's going to add this code block to your Squarespace website. Just drag it anywhere where it looks clean so you can access these buttons. Click on edit right here, and then make sure that the mode is set to HTML, and then delete this first line of text and replace it with the code that you just copied previously. Ignore this script disabled message here. That is just for the editor. In my case, I don't need to position or make my widget any larger than it is because it's already predetermined, but make sure to resize yours and position it accordingly if you need to. Go and hit and save and then exit, and let's go ahead and preview the website and see what the widget looks like. As you can see, the Viber chat is now integrated. It's in the bottom right corner of the screen, and if I click on this icon, it's going to open up the Viber chat, and as you can see, Terry Smith is right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add a Viber chat to Squarespace. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.